Dear Professor, I would like to submit my homework 3 sharp. Number 1. About write a program with AI Insertion short. This task is write a program relies an insertion short visualization use weight forms and AI chart control. The shorted data is randomly generated and automatically sort this data from small to big. In this task, I need use these tools of Visual Studio toolbox, like the button, the label, the count box, the timer, and the chart from the data parts. In order to provide a large, a large amount of data, we change the chart properties, the data name data one, like they here, and change the com box. The com box protects the items from the 10, 25, 50, 100, 500, and 1000. We can, when it's working is running, we can change the number from the com box. In the codes by Visual Studio, these directives import initial namespace required for Windows Forms, Drawing, and General Utilize. The application is defined within the namespace AI Insertion short. For this, the new int 1001. It means there have an arrow to store up to 101 random numbers, index from 0 to 1000. They int the first data. It means temporarily stores the elements began sorted. The flag start equal 0. It means used to check if sorting is active. And int b equal 1. It means tracks the current position in the sorting process. And the pause equal true. It means true. It means sorting is paused. If pause equal false, false means sorting is running. For the public form, the initialize component, it means this is auto-generated and notes the form in elements, for example, buttons and charts and so on. For the random function, it means random data generation. The new random it means define a new random data. And this mean clear the chart. And for here its mean fills the data array with random numbers. And this its mean updates the chart visualization. For the short function, b equal 1 it means reset the sorting process. Data delay time start it means start the sorting timer. Delay timer this it means read the delay value from text box 1 and set the timer speed. If this is okay, we can show the begin text time update the start time, and end text its end here make sure the end time. The flag start equal 1 its mean indicates the shooting is active. If it's equal 0, it means the shooting is stopped. In the timer function, the delay time stop is not work, and this from this it mean picks the next element table B data B, and this compares it with previous elements, and here it means shifts larger elements to the right, and this place the picked element in its current position. From here, like this, there to here, to here. If B if B this and this delay time start, it means start the shooting timer, and this is it's true, and else is false. The delay timer is stopped. In the flag start equaled 1, its mean indicates the shooting is active. The end time takes show end time. The time make hour, minutes, second, and the morning, afternoon, and evening. Or maybe just morning or afternoon. If the flag start equal 0, it means the shooting is stopped. It's okay. And in the in the pause function, if pause is true, like the before, like I said, if pause is true, the its mean pause working. The text shows the pause. If the pause is false, neck pause not working. the shooting is working. It means like this, you shoot the their hair continue, show the continue. Next, this it's the shows video of AI insertion shot by Visual Studio software. Like this, we it's running. Next, this it's the compose input 10. We can say there here have 10 numbers, data numbers. Okay, we short from small to bigger. I can say here is 25 and 50. The short, okay. The next there here we can say the begin time and the end time, hour, minutes, and seconds, and the here is afternoon. In this have 500 numbers. It's the data is big, so the speed is slowly. And here have the delay. We can set with 20, and we can set small or bigger. If the delay, the number is bigger, for example, 30, 40, 50, and so on. Uh, it means the speed delay long time, and the short speed is very slow. If the delay number we set or we input about 10, about 5, about 60, 50, 11, and so on. It means the delay short time, and the data short time speed, maybe the data short time or the speed is uh, is fast. Is fast. I can say the speed is slowly. I can't wait for a moment. Okay, here like this shows the end time. Begin time 9 hour 1 minute 54 seconds, and the finish time is 9 hour or 4 minutes 57 seconds. About use the 3 minutes and 3 seconds. Total is 183 seconds. 183 seconds. Its time is so long. Okay, this is my or introduction of homework 1 homework 3 sharp Number one, I bought read a program with AI Insertion short. Thank you, sir.